Good afternoon. Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit?
Did your mind go blank? Use one short, true answer. Say, I'm here on vacation. Your turn. Say it out loud.
Thank you.
Now practice 4 questions you may hear, first with help, then without help. Keep every answer short and true.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Choose one that is true for you. I'm here on vacation. I'm visiting family. I'm here for a conference. Your turn.
Thank you. How long will you be staying?
Say the real time. For example, 7 days. Or, I'll be here for 7 days. Your turn.
Thank you. Where will you be staying?
For a hotel, say, at the Central Hotel. If you are staying with family, say, I'll be staying with family. Use your real answer.
Thank you. Do you have a return ticket?
If yes, say, yes, I do. Here it is. If no, say, no, I don't. Use the true answer. Your turn.
Thank you.
Now answer all 4 with your own details. The words on screen will help. Speak out loud.
What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you be staying? Where will you be staying? Do you have a return ticket?
Good. You answered all 4 with help. Take 1 breath. Now answer without words on screen.
Good afternoon. Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you be staying? Where will you be staying? Do you have a return ticket? Thank you. That's all.
Now listen once to the complete sample conversation.
Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be here for 7 days.
Where will you be staying?
I'll be staying at the Central Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. That's all.
At the start, the first question may have made you pause. Now you have a clear way to answer all 4. Replay the no-help round once more. Next, hotel check-in.